Ghana penifo mezi yeto Aban ma wo wi a no mu hunu sa afiri ma hunu nyansa achen Ghana fo yi na asese
abuza from mu nyina makwaba e de ba Ghana nsem TV so but omo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so akere wa the comment section ho na be hu bia from Mr President Amejo so TikTok o comment section ho ba bia be hu bia from Mr President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we de e de to Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyesom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be kire pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Ni enko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
Contest bi obia we ni ana ya ma ne kwa mo no so akodu obelu so aten ho ase no so ayi wo se mempene chinchina ayi na no mu nua ba ko yi ase friend of party chairman party mu ko fa bibi mbasa bi de bebo no ma eno ko to kran declare wie no na mu ko gina wo na isi wa ha isi no so won kan okura ba ko say
yes na no na breaking news e ba na se bo mako bo katachie no TB
was Rose or Beko to be a man for one a year tree our taxpayers' money and a year tree our car. Ghana for 1 million cents form papa. 1 my Ghana for S form. Now I don't blame you. Me blame Ghana for na enya daje ko sell lie eto abasama because we will be tenasu for good 12 years. We be ye vice president. Ema wujade atamos ewu ye. Yedisa show some ubu ye, we also wunye president da. Emma ye vote ma obedi 4 years, aye 8 years. Wo se a wait 4 years, chinchina yen sama umra sasia, wo betwa 12 good years. Wo to me nyehwe. Wo promises and kukwan ketenkete omo adwane and confirm a wo di ba ya omo kọ Burkina. Koko fu a wo promise wo se wo betu ebula ama koko farmers bia wo baye wo beti koko no so ewum wo nsan so ntuaka wo firi omo koko wo di omo ka wo baye wo si agenda 111 ye hu hwe afi na wo si market aye abeifo kodi dwa na access amanfo kodi dwa wo ye nti ase wo be sori e na wo si market ne bathroom wo he Efri Kwame Nkrumah time market bie ni Ghana a bathroom ni toilet enim ewo mu di dada o ewo mu edi dada na ya nkoto ayeda enso efa enkrofo a wo se den ya nkoto ayeda we are disappointed to Ghanaians. We are very incompetent. Incompetent President Mahama administration. What disappointed Ghana for? Wo nyame eyinani efri wo so nyame nsan ni wo so. Won kwa wo ba power. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting president ewu. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting vice president ewu. Mun kwa mo party o. Mun kwa mo party. Me say balok di we chi no. Ghana for ansha. These 2 years aka ahuhie hia wo balok di Ghana for be komo no. Esum bi mbada. Esu bi mbada o.
Bibia I say, wo share your sports are say, share Black Stars. I feel Black Stars omuntu mi share goal biom.
Wa ni incompetence na ewo nu mu no. Wo di be ya ne nte be ne ya nte obedi kan appointed the akire wo se wo na wo te stand so na for ni na ekire no. Such an incompetency. Aye, yeah, the World Cup na be fie. Brasters ya she goes say woto. E bin see that.
What be man ko foforo? Won fa ma assembly. Won fa ma sanitation bio. Anya wa. Sa sanitation for this sika. Ya kwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa nya hwe. Na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for. Na wo je ye no. Anya wa. Sako frenwa sako shi ta. You show tension na baby shi. Hey! Who ya deal? Nkwa ho ba eja hihie. Hey Mr. Pad. Unya ba perfect intro. Esa wo pad. Saga wide. Who is a pad na na be ye bibia mo. Into
about 15 minutes, you can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading, they should just come to our aid, make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading, they should just come and fix it for us. We beg them.
How long have you been waiting?
Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something, so it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here.
And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flights here. I understand your frustration. demonstration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
More than 4 hours. More than 4 hours. Simu de bia ye kan ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, e no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana for say me ba we na me ye ma mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yentime because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals are all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, yeah, hospitals and they go on and no women say. It is a Kenyan who saying a no man in Abaya. It is a kind of candy was I would to me was I mean, say almost same people for for. Name my comfort my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals are most of my account for. I comfort my facilitating me on funded free seniors most of my account for. You see, I ain't gonna for debut. Na fe na tables na tani afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 dua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa, and I feel I'm going to watch them. Me na warning was such a me me na me go catch you Rajon Dramani Mama so all members come to one. Yewa. Digitalization you start to say yeah, most there be. Digitalization and to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamo papa na ba, omo mamo kinki, amamo ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ya. And the Rajon Dramani Mama could not and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, now what they are making and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but Banama boom, 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 much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say, dear, go your credit, and you now to me who let a be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now, Miss Iffiums, eh? Ramona Chapa, ya happiness say where can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, letter now was say Council of State member no were ye former staff Emanam one, which is never true. Onye Juma or da and Onye Juma or da Amanam one for the first time Nam one I post. Oh yes. Now, why you post?
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.